In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HEIC to PNG. This is important because HEIC is the default format for photos taken on iPhones, but PNG is more widely supported across different platforms. Whether you're on your phone, using a computer, or accessing online tools, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First up, let's discuss how you can convert HEIC to PNG using your phone without needing any additional apps. If you're using an Android or iPhone, you can leverage the built-in print trick. Open your HEIC image in Google Photos or the Photos app. Once the image is open, tap on the Share button. From there, select the print option. Now here is where it varies a bit between iPhone and Android. On an iPhone, you'll need to pinch out on the preview. This action will open the image in a format that can be saved as a PDF. Meanwhile, on an Android device, choose the option to save as PDF. You can then convert this PDF to PNG if needed. It's a bit indirect, but it's a handy workaround when you're in a pinch. Now, if you're looking for a more straightforward approach, the next method is for you. Using an online converter is the easiest and most direct method. Open your browser, whether it's Chrome or Safari. Then navigate to a reliable converter site, such as Convertio, Adobe Express, or ImageMint. Once there, upload your HEIC file. After the file is uploaded, select PNG as your desired output format. Tap the Convert button, and in just moments, your PNG file will be ready to download. This method works seamlessly on Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac, and best of all, there's no need to install any apps. Now let's move on to the method for Windows users. Windows has a built-in option for converting HEIC files. Start by opening your HEIC file in the Photos app. Once open, press Ctrl and P simultaneously to bring up the print dialog. In the printer options, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Save your file. With your PDF file ready, you can convert it to PNG using any image editor. You might choose to open the PDF in Paint and select Save as PNG, or you can use any other image editor you're comfortable with. This method is a bit more involved, but it makes use of tools that are already part of your operating system. Remember, converting to PNG is beneficial because PNG files are generally more compatible with a variety of platforms. They're also better for editing and very useful for websites and apps. However, do keep in mind that PNG files are typically larger in size compared to HEIC files. This can impact storage space, so plan accordingly. There you have it. Whether you're using a smartphone, a computer, or an online tool, converting HEIC to PNG is a straightforward process. Choose the method that best fits your needs and devices. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.